All right, it's April 22nd. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. I just drove from my parents' house to Target, not more than 3 miles. Wasn't paying attention, shut the engine off, went into the store, came out, and the car is not starting. As you can see, the transmission temperature is showing 159. Should be somewhere up in the 200. I was literally in and out of the store within 2 minutes. So let's see if we can get it to go. Obviously, normally I've been paying attention to the transmission temperature, but I just didn't do so this time. I obviously need to continue to pay attention to the transmission temperature to try to get this, to know not to stop the car, not to turn off the car. So just to show that it is not starting, I will. So I'm in park. Trans temp showing 158, should be around 200, and nothing. Car's not starting. So I will just continue to go back and forth between gears to see if I can get it to go. Fortunately, I can't roll the car forward or backward easily. The car just a little bit just to see. Temperature's still not changing, which means it still thinks the TCM still thinks the car's in drive or park. I will put, drive or reverse. I'm going to put it in park. Show again the key. Nothing. Put it in neutral. We're in neutral. Keep taking my foot off the brake just to roll the car a little bit. It's just a bit of an incline, so it will roll forward. But unfortunately, there's a car right in front of me, so I've only got a limited amount of room to go. And typically this has been happening on a distance drive. Happened last night when I drove home from Orlando back to the house, 50 miles at midnight, but I wasn't about to mess around with it, so I just went in. Started this morning, no problem. Started over at my parents' house, no problem. And just the drive from their house here, about 3 miles, as this happening. Oh, there it goes. You know what? I actually felt a little shudder there, so you see the temperature jumped up, and I did actually feel a little shudder there, as if something was engaged. So here we go. I'm going to turn the key, and it starts.